Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 25th of February 2019. Okay guys, we are going to start with Euro USD. You can see this is a losing trade at my end. However, the trade was fine because I have closed it at late at my side. However, the signal was bullish from 113511 and the target price was 113713, and you know that I give the signals before the London session. So before the London session we have seen the volatility on Euro USD and it had already moved up. So if you have traded during the London session, then you must have taken the profit on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about USD, Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, this signal is just leaning on this level. I have given the bearish signal from 130654, and if you look at here, the market is just leaning on this level. It has gone nowhere. However, if it breaks 130654 again, then you can sell the pair because it's in a weaker zone. Okay, now let's talk about the rest of the pairs like USDJPY, and I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So okay guys, USDJPY with the bullish expectation from 110640 and 11804 was the targeted price. However, you can see we have a big upward momentum and the market even breaks the targeted price. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on USDJPY, they must have ended with profits. Okay, now let's talk about the AUDUSD. We have seen some bullish trend on this pair, and I have supplied the bullish signal in the morning from 071537 and 072135 was the target price. However, you can see it has given us some very good bullish candles, but however it has not touched the target price because the momentum was slow. You know that today it is Monday and momentum keeps the slow in the market. Okay, now let's talk about USDCHF. It was a very easy signal from my side. I have supplied a clear bullish bullish trend from 099932 and 100110 was the target price, and guys, you can see the target price is hit in the same hour, and if you have traded USDCHF as per the signal, then it must be in your way. Okay, we do not talk about the losing trades in our videos, and now let's talk about EURJPY. Similarly, you know, I was bullish on this pair, so I have supplied the bullish signal from 125635 and the target price was 12591918. And guys, you can see a strong bullish trend was supplied and the signal was already hit in the morning, and again it has retested it, and EURJPY has moved up, and you should ended the trade with profits. At last, I'm going to talk about the strength that we have seen today on AUDJPY, and that's the last signal of my signals report. I have supplied the clear bullish trend from 79137 and 79669 was the target price, and guys, you can see a strong upward momentum with not a single bearish candle, and the market hit the target price. So overall, it was a very good day with trading, and moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, you can sell the pair, and whenever you see that the market is gaining the momentum from the lower red boundary, like it started to gain the momentum from 21st of February, then the pair has moved up, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, so if you are looking to subscribe to my Telegram premium group service, if you want to subscribe to my daily Forex email signals, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.